It's 2025 and deploying an app still feels like a mess. A lot of developers build something they are excited about. But the moment it's time to deploy, things start to get messy. You try platforms like Heroku. At first, it seems simple. But the moment you need logs, SSL or better control, things start to fall apart. You're dealing with plugins, config files, unexpected errors, and things start to get expensive real quick. We built Kuberns to fix that. It gives you everything you need to deploy, scale, and manage applications without the usual setup. You connect your repo, we detect the stack, and we take care of the rest. From build to deployment to production monitoring, all without writing a single config file. While we talk, here is how it looks in action. From the moment you create a project, Kuberns start doing the work behind the scenes. It figures out what you're deploying, it builds the container and sets up the environment with SSL, logs, and a real domain. And that's it, there is no separate setup guide. You push your code, and your app just goes live. Heroku seems simple at first, but once you need logs, SSL, staging, things start to get messy. Kuberns keeps it simple all the way through. You connect your code, we take care of the rest. And then there is cost. Heroku charges per dyno, per add-on, per team member, and it adds up fast. With Kuberns, you can start for absolutely free, and you get flat pricing with SSL, logs, monitoring, multiple environments all already included. Kuberns will work whether you're starting out, freelancing, or building something big. It doesn't assume you're a DevOps engineer. You don't need cloud expertise. If you got a repo, Kuberns can deploy it clean and fast. If you are tired of more complicated workflows or expensive setups, try it for yourself. Your app can be live in 5 minutes with everything already built in. We can't wait to see what you deploy.